Hello, and welcome to our automated sales order entry demonstration for title production systems. Are you frustrated by the manual data entry needed to input your orders into your title production system, only to turn around and re-enter that same information into various websites or other systems to do your search? Do you struggle with fluctuating order volumes, higher in the spring and summer and much lower in the winter, having to staff up or down or pay overtime? You're not alone. Many of our clients feel the same way. So InStream has developed a solution to virtually eliminate the manual data entry of the order and completely eliminate the duplicative effort of data entry into various websites or other systems to perform your search. This demonstration will show you how we can lift the pertinent information off the sales order and then create the order within the title production system. The process begins with the system watching an email box and importing any new orders automatically. Next, the system will read the order, extract the pertinent information, and present any low confidence values for validation or correction. The data in the image are then married up and delivered to the title production system, in this case Resware, to create the order. Using robotic process automation, or RPA, that same data can be automatically sent to a website or to another system to perform your search. The system will then wait for documents to be returned and then add them to the file in the title production system. I want to point out all of these steps in this process are running unattended in the server room or in the cloud. The only human interaction is the validation step, a safety net, if you will, to correct any low confidence values. In the demo, we will show you these steps, and you can see what's happening behind the scenes. However, in production, you would only see the validation step. The first step of the process is import. This is where the system watches an email box for orders to be received. When orders come in, the system picks them up and begins the process. The document is imported and separated into individual pages. The next step is classification and extraction. This is where the magic happens. The document is read or OCR'd, much like a human would read the document. The system then looks for the anchor words such as buyer, seller, property address, etc. Once it finds those words, it looks around for the actual information, extracts it, and assigns a confidence level to how well the engine read the information. As you can see here, it's gone through and extracted all these fields and flagged one field for correction. You can see the error message telling you that the confidence fell below the preset threshold, and you can see why on the document. There's a mark. So now, as the operator, all they have to do is make the correction, accept that correction, and the document is done. At this point, we would take the extracted information, marry it up with the copy of the image, and deliver it to Resware to create the order. However, for the purposes of this demo, I'm going to pull up an additional module so that you can see all the information that was extracted and that it is accurate. I'd like to point out a couple of things. As you will see, the buyer tag is highlighted along with the buyer's information, and it's zoomed into that location, making it very ergonomically efficient to validate information as you go through the document. You see the seller and the seller information, the purchase price, the date, and notice that we've added the 2 zeros in the field to go into Resware, the property address, inclusions, earnest money in a tabular form, loan information, cash at closing, title company, show you that we get a checkbox, the type of loan, and then a free form field of the other documents and information needed. We have some deadlines on the appraisal, as well as some additional information that's needed. Looking at the seller, selling broker's name, their licenses, and then the listing information, the broker's license, and the broker's name. At this point, we're done. As I mentioned, we're going to marry that information up with the image and deliver it to ResWare. We log into ResWare. You see the orders in ResWare, and now you see all the information that was extracted out of the document. And to go to another tab, you'll see the loan information, the sale price, the earnest money, and the loan amount. Our clients have told us that these solutions can cut their order entry time and cost by as much as 70 to 80% or higher, with a payback in months. We welcome the opportunity to speak with you directly to evaluate your situation. If you'd like to learn more, please contact us directly. Thank you for watching.